Hey there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to Mahsa UI UX. Today, I'm super excited to walk you through the latest and greatest updates in Figma for 2024. Let's dive right in. Figma UI 3. First up, Figma now has default design kits. Head over to your set panel to explore three new sets: iOS 18 and iPadOS 18, the Material Tree Design Kit, and a simple design system. These kits are perfect for jump-starting your project with ready-made components. Figma Slides. Next, we have Figma Slides. This new feature helps you and your team co-create stunning presentations. With advanced editing tools and built-in interactivity, it's never been easier to design and present. You can choose from various templates, collaborate in real time, create live slide with polls, add prototypes, and even adjust the tone and voice of your content with AI. Plus, it has an easy recording feature. Awesome, right? Figma AI. Figma AI is here to revolutionize your workflow, even though it's still in limited beta. Join the waitlist to try out these powerful features to help you create and organize effortlessly. The first feature is visual search. Quickly find similar or exact design within your organization using a frame, image, screenshot, or sketch. The second feature is make design. Effortlessly generate UI layouts and components option, allowing you to explore various design directions. And the third feature is replace content. Easily refine, rewrite, or translate text to fit your needs. The fourth feature is make prototype. Automatically connect and wire up your prototypes, saving your time and efforts. And the last but not the least, rename layers. Efficiently organize and rename all your layers, keeping your project neat and structured. Auto-layout improvements. Auto-layout just got better. You can place all your items into a frame, right-click, and Figma will nest everything inside an auto-layout for you. Responsive prototyping viewer. Want to see how your design look on different screen sizes? With the new responsive prototyping viewer, you can toggle between screen types in both present and preview modes, even on the Figma mobile app. These make it easier to ensure your design looks great on any device. Dev Mode updates. Developers, listen up. Figma has some cool new updates in Dev Mode just for you. The Ready for Dev view helps you find exactly what needs to be built without all the extra stuff. Focus View lets you look at just the design you're working on and see all the changes. Plus, you can now mark design as completed when you are done. Code Connect. Great news! Code Connect is officially out of beta. This tool bridges the gap between design and code, making design system more accessible across various frameworks and languages like React, React Native, iOS, and Android. It's a game changer for fast-moving teams. FigJam Pages. And finally, FigJam now supports creating multiple pages within a single file. This is perfect for organizing different activities or work streams within your team. And that's a wrap on the latest Figma updates for 2024. We hope to get access to try them soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates and tutorials. See you next time, and happy designing!